Today's wine text is the Elias Mora Crianza 2014 from the Toro in Spain. So I just want to go over, I don't know if this is our first Toro or maybe our first Elias Mora wine, but I want to go over the Toro itself. So the Toro is a very small appellation in the northwest part of Spain, where to me it's one of the warmest climates within the country. When it comes to the wine itself, what does that mean? It means fruit forward, big, full-bodied, highly structured, and usually the alcohol is pretty high as well. I wanted to taste this because Crianza, being out of all the age requirements within Spain, it's actually one of the youngest. So this is actually an expression of the grape as basically as natural as possible, but the oak gives a little bit more of a structure lift and another level of complexities. So right away I get definitely an earthiness from it. I think there's a lot of dark currants, a little bit of this jammy cherry pie thing that I really like. And there's definitely a baking spice note, almost like apple pie without the apples, which is a little bit more interesting. The wine is super tannic and a lot of body and structure, but has a ton of acidity as well. 2014 is, going on 6 years, and the alcohol level is actually pretty high. But this wine easily has another 10 to 15 years behind it. This is something I would pop now. I mean, I've had this open maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but definitely open it probably a half hour, 45 minutes, maybe even an hour. This wine would really be going well. But I think this wine needs still another couple years to really hit its prime to where you can pop it open and drink it right away. Really cool stuff. Pretty small production, family-owned winery, and just some great tasting Spanish wine for you. Enjoy.